All right, Hurricane families, it's Ray, and I'm here to talk to you about TrackWrestling. So just in case you haven't used it, here's a quick little tutorial. So go into any browser, go to TrackWrestling.com, click on that, and you are taken to this website. It does have a lot of pop-ups, so bear with us. So when you first go ahead and go to Track, you're going to go into Events up here in the upper left. Click on Events. And you're going to use this function center, or this function key right at the top of the screen. When you click on the gears, you get a chance to search events. Event name, what generally I like to do is I like to go into the location if it'll allow me, but it won't. So event name, we're going to use an older tournament, so we'll do Goodrich, which is a few weeks ago, and I'll search. And then you'll look through. Take note, under each event, there is a date, so be careful that you look for the right date because they just archive, so you can actually see last season and the season before's results. So we're going to go to just the MMWA Goodrich, which was held a few weeks ago, but we'll be able to see results. Click on there. You're always going to click Viewer, so that's the default. Go into Enter Event. And now go to the fun. Generally, the easiest way that I find my wrestlers' information for the tournament is I go into Brackets, click on Brackets, choose the weight class, and this is set up by age group. So at the upper left here, you can see 4 to 6, and then it goes through all the age groups, and then you'll scroll down 7 to 8. Now, if the tournament you go to has open and novice, you will see that denoted as well. So we're going to use my kid as an example. We'll use Kellen, we're 7-8 age group. He was in 67, so we're going to find the 67 weight class. Click on that, and then we're just going to view. So this one shows up. It is a round robin, and you can tell by a round robin by the way that it's set up here. So each round, 1, 2, and 3. The round robin means that they will wrestle someone in each, or they'll wrestle each of the wrestlers in their bracket, and then the results will come out accordingly. So it'll tell you right here, if you look here in the upper left-hand corner of the brackets, you'll see a 9-0-7. That means that their match, that these two wrestlers right here will wrestle mat 9, bout 7. And that's the way that they're always set up. You can see beneath, mat 9, bout 8. And scrolling through here, mat 9, 17, mat 9, 18. That's generally how they'll go. So this is how it's set up for a round robin. Pretty easy to follow. And then we'll go back to brackets, and we're going to check on another bracket. So click on weight class, and I believe he was 49. We'll try. So this is Beckett's, my other son's bracket. And you take a look. This is set up as an actual bracket. So right here through the center, these are all the wrestlers. And then on the right side, that is the winning side of the bracket. And then on the left side, it's the losing side of the bracket. Most tournaments are a 2-bout elimination, or 2-loss elimination for that matter. And you can see, you'll see your first wrestler here, and you'll follow it up. So sometimes they'll have a bye within the first round. And if you take a look here, so Beckett's first match was mat 1, bout 10. But you could see that the kid he wrestled here, his first match was mat 1, bout 4. You'll see results here on the right. Remember, a fall indicates that there was a pin, and then the time after that is how long it took for that pin to occur. If you see a decision, DEC, and then that is by points, and that'll be noted there as well. So the website is kind of clunky. Every time you go out, you will have to go back in and go through that whole process, even back to the beginning of searching for the particular tournament. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask any coach or any of the parents who are familiar with track. Have a good one. Thanks.